Okay, so start 26. Fire protection. Okay, for which system fire protection system have in 320?
Engine, APU.
Right.
Cargo.
Fire protection.
Fire protection for cargo छ नि त
तर त्यो स्मोकमा आउँछ क्या
स्मोक आउँछ तर फायरको केसमा त डिस्चार्ज गर्न त मिल्छ नि
मिल्छ त मिल्छ तर त्यो स्मोकमा आउँछ
इन्जिन एन्ड एपियु
चाहिँ फायरमा भयो स्मोकको केसमा आयो त्यहाँ स्मोकको चाहिँ कुन हुन्छ
एभियोनिक्स
कार्गो
only engine and APU.
More.
And laboratory.
Laboratory, right.
Right. Forward and aft laboratory.
Yes.
Laboratory भने त.
Yeah, okay. Okay, how many loops are there?
2.
2 loops, loop A, loop B.
And how they are installed?
Parallel.
Right. Okay, how many detectors for each loop?
3.
Right. Okay, how many fire bottles are for engine and its location?
2 in the pylon.
2 fire extinguisher bottles, right? And location of engine?
At pylon.
Yeah, in pylon.
Pylon
ma.
Right.
At the pylon.
Yes, in pylon. Okay, next. Oh, how many agents for each engine?
Agents?
2 agents. Agent 1, agent 2.
Yes, 2 agents, agent 1 and 2.
Agents.
Because of 2 fire bottles. Simple way.
And in APU, only 1 agent.
Yes, take care.
Number of fire bottles equals number of agent.
It doesn't apply to everything. Also.
Yes. For the case of cargo.
Okay, how many fire bottles in APU and in location?
In APU, 1 fire bottle. After APU fire
compartment.
After of APU compartment?
Forward of the APU firewall.
Yeah, aft fuselage, forward of the APU firewall. Yes.
It's the ulto है पता till हो
Yeah. Yes. Okay, if there's a fire on ground in APU, what will happen?
Auto shutdown.
Automatic shutdown.
And?
Auto fire extinguish.
Auto extinguish.
Right.
3 seconds after.
Okay.
3 seconds after.
Later we'll come on this. Just for now, auto shutdown and auto extinguish.
Yeah.
Auto extinguish.
Okay. What monitors cargo smoke?
Seats.
Cargo.
Sorry?
Seats SDF.
Yes.
SDF.
Yes.
SDF.
SDF. Yes. SDF incorporated in the seats. Right.
It's tractor.
Yes.
How many discharge nozzles for forward and aft cargo compartment?
2.
Forward 1, aft 2.
Right.
Forward
Discharge
1.
nozzle half.
Right. Forward 1, aft 2.
Aft ठुलो भएर चाहिँ दुईटा छ.
Yes. Okay, how lab waste been protected by fire?
The fire. Fire extinguisher. Heat
below the basin.
Heat sensitive. Temperature sensitive.
At a certain temperature, there is a
melts the
visible plug which is melt and extinguished.
Yes. There's a small fire bottle inside the bin, and there's a fusible material which melts at high temperature, and the extinguisher discharge automatically when it melts.
Discharge.
Yes. Okay. APU fire detection loop is of which type?
FPU
Which type?
Ah,
loop type.
yes.
No. Detector is के भन्छ
एघारौँ पढे जस्तो लाग्छ
Helium वाला हो.
nebula पनि पढा helium and hydrogen gas inside the helium and hydrogen gas.
Simple. No, type
detecting-
means type, single detector type, dual type.
ओके सिंगल
Single detector element. Single detector element, yes, right.
सिंगल डिटेक्टर त्यस्तो त्यो टाइप भन्नु भएको हामी अर्कैतिर गइहाल्यौँ कि त्यो ग्यास वाला
त्यो detector type चाहिँ सिक्न गयो।
अर्कैतिर दिमाग गइसकेको थियो कि हाम्रो
Okay.
Okay, define fire detector state.
Be state, normal, fault, and alarm.
Okay, what is normal state?
Now, in normal state, integrity is what's it?
Switch.
There are two switch. One is alarm switch, another is integrity switch.
Yes.
In normal, integrity is closed and alarm is open.
Yes.
In the normal for alarm state, both are closed, and in fault, both are open.
Okay. So in which case fire signal you get, and in which case fault signal you get?
In the case
Fire
of
signal,
both
alarm state.
integrity
In
switch
case-
closed and alarm switch closed. Then
In alarm state, simple state.
in alarm state, yeah.
Okay, in alarm state you get the fire signal.
Fire signal.
Massively.
Yes, right. Which computer detects fire?
Fire detection unit.
Okay.
SDU.
FDU.
How many of you are there?
2 each for one engine. One for each engine.
One for each engine. And for APU?
One
E-
SDU.
Sorry?
ECB monitor sheet.
ECP or
No. SDU.
no?
Yes.
Is the
There is
FD?
a SDU for APU.
Yes.
SDU for APU.
Yeah. For FDU, for APU, there's a separate FDU. So total
Yes.
3 FDU.
3. Okay.
3 FDU.
Yes, sir.
Of course, loop. If there is a loop, then there is a FDU.
Yes. Right. Okay. And how many channels are there in each FDU?
2 channels.
2 channels.
Channel A, channel B.
Channel 1, channel 2.
Right.
AB.
Mm-hmm.
For loop A, channel A, loop B, channel B.
Okay. Which channel is active or not? How do you know?
Which channel is active?
There are 2 channels, right? So which is active and which is standby?
Both channels are active
Right.
because channel A, because loop A monitor channel A and loop B monitor channel B.
Yes.
Yeah, channel B monitors loop B.
Because both channels get the data separately and alarms when in case of fire. So there is no standby for this. Both channels are active.
Okay.
Both signals
Yes.
out to the FWC. Yes. Getting a conclusion.
Okay. In case of fire detected, what happens?
And what engine APU here?
Yeah, what engine?
In case fire, first fire detection detect the fire, and there is CRC,
Mm-hmm.
okay, master warning,
Mm-hmm.
Warning.
and warning light on the engine panel,
Mm-hmm.
engine start
Engine
panel,
5 push button.
and in the overhead panel as well.
5 push button.
And
Red warning and 5 push button.
Mm-hmm.
And EWD, message on the EWD.
ECAM warnings. To
Yeah,
ECAM
well,
warnings.
of course, there is CRC.
Okay. How the the 2 loops detect fire? They are getting So like both should be serviceable, both or one should be
Might
serviceable.
be loop fire on loop
At
A and
least-
fan out.
Loop B. There are 4 conditions.
At least one should be
Fire on
serviceable.
At least
fire
one.
on
One might
loop
be
A, fire on loop A and fire on loop B, or fire on loop A and fault on loop B,
Fault on loop B.
or fault on loop A and fire on loop B,
Mm-hmm.
and or fault on both A and B within
few seconds.
5
Few
seconds. I think 5 seconds.
Yeah.
Within 5 seconds.
Yes. So the last condition, fault on loop A and B within 5 seconds. What does this mean?
fault on loop A and fault on loop B comes after 5 seconds.
After 5 seconds, what does this means? How?
It means high temperature or the
Because-
loops are
electric
broken.
fire or something. Both
Because-
loops are melted or broken.
Yes.
Broken.
Right.
Not both. One might be inoperative, but if in 5 seconds it detects fire, then
No.
It
Within-
becomes
within 5 seconds.
melted.
Within
It becomes
within
melted
5
due to
seconds.
fire.
Both, not one. Both.
both
Within
one,
both.
within 5 seconds it both melted.
Yes, right. Both melted should within 5 seconds.
Yeah,
Both melted.
broken.
Then it detects fire. Both.
Yes.
Suppose there is fire in fault in one. Suppose there is fault in one, and if there is fire, and if there is extreme fire, in 5 seconds it will melt. What do you say? That there is fire or not?
For
No,
that,
fault
there is a
in
different
one-
condition. You have to. There's a
That's in
condition of
fault-
16 seconds. In 16 seconds, yes.
That is fault one.
No,
That
no,
is
no,
fault one.
We
That is
want
fault
to,
one.
we want to say, sir,
That is
we
for
want
fault.
to say that if loop A is already faulty, and only loop B is serviceable, in that case, only one loop gets melted in 5 seconds. But in that case,
You detect fire.
FDU gives signal. Yeah.
That is fail-safe mode. It will of course give fire signal.
Both loops
Yes,
should
yes.
be broken due to a touching flame within 5 seconds. Then when you get a fire
within
warning,
5 seconds.
not a single loop.
5 seconds.
Okay, not a single loop.
I mean to say that suppose there is fault on loop A.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now what happens if fire second loop miss?
Yeah, you get fire warning.
We get fired because the condition is if loop one of the loop has fault and
Fault.
next loop is on
Yes.
fire.
Yes, but
Fire, then-
in this case, the loop is there is no fault in the loop. The loop is
Yes.
the loop is melted due to touching flame. So no fault.
Within
Yeah,
5
both
seconds.
loops.
Yes.
Yeah, in that case, both loops are serviceable.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, what are the conditions that FDU generates an inoperative signal? Fault signal.
Electrical integrity and
For loop or for system, fire detection. For
Fault.
loop is one.
FDU generates a fault.
Yes, sir.
Yes. There are 3
Yes.
failure. What are those?
Electrical failure.
Electrical failure.
Electrical
Electrical
failure.
failure.
Right.
integrity failure,
Right.
Integrity loop.
Integrity.
and
And
there was one more. What is that? Electrical
Electrical
failure?
integrity and and don't know.
Circuit failure or yeah, then third one.
Mm-hmm. Detection of a single loop for more than 60 seconds.
more than 16. Oh, yes, well, it's
More-
While other loop is normal.
yes,
Okay.
yes.
No.
Say one loop is normal and the other loop
Normal
is
and
detecting
other-
fire. So if
Fire,
detecting
okay.
fire for more than 16 seconds,
60
and
seconds.
while other loop is not
That's
detecting fire and it is normal, so there will be a fault
That-
message.
Fault message.
Okay.
Fault message.
Okay.
That
Okay, what happens and what are the system that gets isolated when fire push button is released out?
air, hydraulic, oil,
Generators,
electrical system.
respective generators, hydraulics, bleed system,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Air conditioning.
Bleed. Yeah,
Fuel.
it's common on bleed.
bleed, electrical, respective generators, bleed,
Mm-hmm.
hydraulic,
Uh-huh.
hydraulic system, and then
Aircon.
That's common on bleed. Bleed means all everything. Yes.
Pack.
Bleed में आएगा सारा पूरा.
Yeah.
That comes
and
on
then
bleed.
after fuel, it will cut off the fuel.
Fuel. And
Fuel
our
first.
more.
Electrical supply also cut off.
Yes.
If generator,
That comes under electric supply.
generator.
So you asking for the system or you asking for the what action if there is fire?
System. I'm asking for the system.
Which system are cut off? Oh.
Yeah.
So mainly hydraulic,
bleed,
electrical,
hydraulic,
bleed,
fuel, air.
Four. How many are there? 4, and then
Yeah.
Air is bleed.
And electrical supply to EIU.
okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
EIU also
Electrical
supply will
supply,
cut off.
okay.
Okay, and you answer the second question. There were 2 questions. What happens? So what happens when you release out the push button?
Single chance
then-
comes.
Uh-huh.
Single chance
CRC
also.
stop.
Not CRC. CRC stop huncha to the
CRC cut off. Yes, CRC cut off.
CRC stops.
Cut off. Yes.
Hmm.
Stop. Then FWC will generate further warnings and a further message. And further the bleed supply.
So this is the push button. You release out. Engine control power supply to cut off. EIU. Fuel. In fuel, there are 2 valves. LP startup valve closed and engine fuel return valve. FRV closed. Okay. Air engine bleed valve closed and pack flow control valve closed.
Okay.
Electrical power IDG de-energized. Hydraulic power fire startup valve. Where is the fire startup valve location?
That's okay. Sir, the valve
Should be on
sir, pylon and wing.
Outboard of pylon. Outboard of pylon.
Pylon
Pylon
and
and,
pylon. Inside the pylon.
Huh?
Inside the pylon.
Inside
the pilot, man.
Simple.
Copy,
Okay.
sir.
In the pylon. And the skew lights will be on.
Yeah, scoop light will be on. Ready for discharge.
Yes.
For discharge, ready for discharge.
Yes. Okay, how do you isolate the fire, engine fire in flight?
In flight.
Yes.
First of all, we have to
First of all, press the master switch. Okay. First of all, press the master switch, which will isolate all the systems which we discussed before.
Warnings.
And we have to and then after we have to put the respective throttle in idle position.
Uh-huh.
If engine 1 is on fire, then throttle of engine 1 put in idle position, and then discharge the agent.
No.
First set the thrust lever to idle, then master switch off, then wait for 10 seconds to reduce the windmilling, and after that we should push the fire push switch and then discharge.
This okay.
Yes.
If fire not gone, then we have to
Discharge
put
agent two.
another
30 seconds. After 30 seconds.
Yes. After
30
30
seconds,
seconds.
again we have to agent 2.
Yes.
Agent two.
Yes. Okay. After discharge, what light comes on?
Amber discharge.
The discharge light will come.
Okay. Rest all light will be off.
Go off. Go.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. 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 Okay. Okay. What is the difference between difference of fire extinguishing procedure in flight and on ground?
On ground,
ground.
we don't need to wait for the 10 seconds for winding effect. And
We have
another
to
is
wait. We have
on
to
ground,
wait.
no,
We have to
and
wait. We have to.
on ground
We have to.
we have to press both at the
Start
same
that
time,
time.
both at the
Yes.
same time.
Both at the same
But I
time,
don't
but we have to wait for the
know.
wind wheeling. Yeah.
No, on ground, why we need to wait for the windmill?
On ground means with respect to manual, our training manual, it says that when you approach landing, it means to say that they mean to say that the approach landing, not on the
No,
ground. We
takeoff
are running
run.
the engine. In that
Okay,
case, we will use
on
the
takeoff
we
run.
don't use the engine fire extinguisher. We use external fire extinguisher on the ground when we are doing engine on up.
What rubbish you are talking?
Hey,
That nonsense. Engine
no,
fire. No.
Can you solve that problem?
You are talking about the cargo fire, not the engine fire.
In case of engine fire, also we
No.
just suppose engine
No.
run up on ground.
Okay.
Engine run up ground, we use extinguisher.
No,
Yes, of course.
that
You
is the difference. We can use.
you
Because
you can
if
use.
the
You
aircraft
have
is
to
on
use.
takeoff
You
run-
have to use anyhow.
Yes.
Last the maintenance mate last फिर के
Okay, there is no 10 second
No.
something
Yeah.
mentioned on the ground.
No. In
Not
the
mentioned, huh?
manual, there is no mention about the 10 second we have to wait. But difference is that we need to press both agents at the same time.
Yes.
On ground.
Yes. There is no 10 second for that. Yeah, you don't have to wait for 10 seconds on ground. Just press. If in case of fire, both throttle idle or whichever engine is running, idled, then fire push button, engine 1, engine 2 continuously. And if APU is running, you have to shut down the APU.
Shut down the APU.
Yes.
At the last.
Yes. So this thing you have to do on ground. No need to wait 10 seconds, and no need to bring fire extinguisher for the engine and all, because till then all the engine will be burned out and the fire may caught to the wing and everything. It could be more disaster. So we don't have to wait for this.
Yes.
Better squib than engine.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. What are the precautions taken during removal installation of fire extinguisher bottle and discharge cartridge?
Pin.
Mm-hmm.
Pin should be inserted in.
Which pin?
Inserting pin. Sun. The pin on the percussion.
Yeah. Percussion pin.
Cartridge electrical pins must be shunted. Yes, with a protective shunt given by.
Shunt, yes.
Who gives that shunted pin?
Manufacturer.
Manufacturer, right? There's already manufactured pin, so you have to must be shunted. This is the most important, and it will be asked in every bypass. They will ask.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
It is one of the most important.
Understand?
No understand. Electrical shunt.
Yes. Okay, how many loops are connected to FDU?
Both loop.
Just a second. I'll. Oh, okay, continue. How many loops are connected to FDU?
Two.
2 loops. Okay. There are 2 channels, A and B, for FDU, right?
Mm.
So what are their power supply?
Yes, sir. DC.
They have same or different power supply?
No
What a
idea.
pen! What a pen! Huh?
Internet very slow.
Uh-huh. Same power supply or different power supply?
Same carbon wire. Different power supply. Yeah, this one.
Different power supply. Eh? They are not supplied
Okay.
from the same source. They have a different source.
No, different power supply. One is DC, one is DC essential, one is DC bad boss.
Okay, we'll come later. We'll come later on this. Okay, what light comes on squib and discharge push before and after fire?
Squib white. Discharge amber.
Yes. Okay, how will you extinguish APU fire?
Extinguish AP fire.
Yeah.
It is automatic.
But you have to, if you have to do manual, then
We can do it from cockpit as well as external power panel.
okay, you're doing from cockpit then.
First, we have to select fire push button switch and then discharge.
After 10 seconds.
Yeah, for willing
Yes.
to be more effective.
Yeah, for APU you have to wait 10 seconds, but for engine you don't have to wait for 10 seconds. On ground. Huh? Okay, how APU fire auto extinguish? Tell me in details. First, tell me what things will happen when there is APU fire on ground.
There is the lights come on the first day CRC, then master warning, then on the fire panel there will be fire illuminating.
APU fire push button light will illuminate.
Illuminate, and there will be a horn, external horn sound as well.
Squib light will be on. And same like disconnection of fuel and then bleed system.
Okay, master warning CRC, APU fire push button light, then okay, continue.
Just for checking after what you asked?
APU fire on ground, and
Auto,
what warning will you get? Tell me in detail.
warnings,
Master warning.
you have to,
Master warning.
CRC.
Okay. CRC. Okay, then.
Then lights on lights on the engine fire APU fire push button.
Right.
And then
Sign.
external horns, and there will be and lights on external power panel also.
And horn also.
Yes.
On, yeah.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Then after?
And after 3 seconds, auto extinguish. auto fire discharge.
Before that, before 3 seconds, what system will be isolated?
Isolated system is air, fuel, and air, fueled, and
Electrical.
Electrical.
A fuel LP sort of valve and solenoid valve close. Just two valve. LP sort of valve and solenoid valve.
Yes, sir.
That will be
Okay.
closed.
closed.
If fuel
Solenoid valve,
closed,
yes, sir.
then APU shut
Both
down.
are closed.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Then after?
Shut down. Shut
Then after?
down after 3 seconds. Then
Hmm.
after 3 seconds, auto extinguish. will happen.
Auto extinguishing.
Yes, yes. After 3 seconds, auto extinguish. Right.
Yes, sir.
After 3 seconds.
Okay. What happens if you hear horn and see APU fire light on panel 108 PU and you press red guarded APU sort of push button?
Dead switch. We can.
The fire button
APU
will
will,
discharge.
no, emergency shutdown will happen.
Yes.
APU shutdown.
APU emergency shutdown, but
Emergency.
not auto extinguish. If you get a horn on the external
not
power
extinguish.
panel 108 VU and you see a light APU fire, and before that auto extinguishing system will activate and you press the guarded switch APU shut off, then APU will be emergency shutdown, but there will be no auto extinguishing. So most people used to get confused.
extinguish.
Yes, in this matter.
Okay.
Only auto extinguish. If you do manually anything, that will not extinguish. Fire will not extinguish.
Auto extinguish. Okay.
Okay, APU automatic extinguishing is triggered by which loop?
Echo, sir.
APU
Loop
automatic
loop
A. If loop A is
Loop
serviceable,
A.
only then you will get auto extinguish.
Automatic.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, break for 10 minutes
Wait.
because internet is very slow.
Okay, look at this auto extinguishing test. This is very important. This will be asked, and this test is done, I think, on 3,000 hours. I think maybe.
3,000 hours, sir.
Yes.
3,000 hours.
Okay. The test is initiated from the
We did
APU
this
auto extinguishing section of the overhead panel 50 BU. Yes, there is an auto extinguishing test panel. Pressing this test
Yes,
push
sir.
button, the white on light is illuminated and 28 gold DC is connected to a number of relays inside the auto extinguishing relay circuit, which then energize the extinguishing ground test relay to isolate the fire extinguishing bottle from the automatic fire extinguishing circuit to panel 28 volt DC power supply to the filaments of the fire extinguishing bottle cartridge during test. On this extinguishing ground test relay is energized, the test continues. APU fire push button light A illuminate. And, with aircraft on ground conditions supplied by LGCI 1, the relay auto push controls the fire emergency stop 1 to initiate closing the APU fuel LP valve and the emergency shutdown PCB. The relay auto control fire emergency stop 2 to responsible for initiate APU fuel LP valve. The red APU fire light on the external panel illuminates, the ground horn sounds. Finally, the white OK indicator light on the auto extinguishing test push button comes on to indicate the correct operation of the relays, indicating a successful circuitry. So this is the panel APU reset.
Yes, sir.
Yes, this is like important, and maybe for this test you have to open the fire extinguishing auto extinguishing circuit bottle circuit breaker. I think L40. So this is the maybe asked in their exam. Okay. What is the purpose of cabin fan push button switch on ventilation panel and when it is used?
Cabin fan.
Yeah, cabin fan push button switch on the ventilation panel. The push button switch.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, what is its
This
purpose?
is this is
Mhm.
To override in case of smoke,
a smoke
avionics
condition.
smoke.
The fan push
Yes.
button is auto and off.
That is recirculation fan.
There is no
Yes, sir.
override position.
Off.
So when you will off this push button?
If there is avionics smoke.
Yes,
A smoke condition.
yes, to prevent in the cockpit and cabin.
Cabin.
Yes,
Cabin. From the smoke from avionics ventilation.
yes. So this is used.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what happens if blower override and extraction override is on?
Override is on.
If
In
you
case
press
of
the
blower override.
Blower will
Yeah,
stop, extractor will keep running.
The system is closed in
And,
all circuit.
what?
System चाहिँ तपाईँ all close configuration closed हुन आउँछ जुन पनि.
But yeah,
But,
but what things will
blower-
happen? Blower fan stop, right? Blower fan will stop.
Extraction keeps on running.
Yeah, in case of
It's
extraction,
running,
blower
but
fan.
partially open.
Yes, but in case of blower override, the air conditioning air will in,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
and in extraction override, the small flap will open.
That will open.
Open. Yes, sir. To escape the smoke overload.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, how cargo smoke detectors functions? How many detectors are there?
2 in the forward, 4 in the aft.
Okay.
Yes.
So how it will function?
It works on the sensitive thrust. If light.
No, don't go in the basic photoelectric effect, but yes. So there's two detector.
Yes.
So both should detect or one should detect?
Both.
No, at least one.
One.
Both.
One. But the STF will, the chips will automatically bypass the sensor. If one is detecting smoke but other is not detecting smoke, then other declared as faulty and warning will come.
No.
Smoke.
Suppose one detectors detects smoke, and other detectors is normal, doesn't detect smoke. Then what?
No fire, no smoke.
No warning. You'll get a fault message, like detector fault.
Yes, sir. Detector fault. Yes, sir.
Yes. And reciprocal, if one detects smoke and other detectors is abnormal condition, then you get the smoke warning.
Yes, sir.
Wow.
Smoke warning.
Yes.
Yes.
And the second detector, it will be declared as a faulty detector. So you'll get two warnings.
Faulty detector.
You'll get two warnings.
Yes.
One is smoke warning and other the
Fault.
fault warning also. For other detectors.
यही केस भन्यो यो केस चाहिँ कहिले भन्दै मैले
Okay, what happens if you press cargo smoke test push button?
Cargo smoke.
Test push button. You are doing test. You are used to do in weekly, in A-check, not weekly, A-check. Yeah.
During cargo smoke test, fire warning. It will show on the EWD.
Okay,
And,
on ECAM, yeah, it's of course it comes on the EWG, the fire warning, and
CRC.
And
CRC.
in the cargo, we can get in the button we can get the smoke in red.
mhm,
Yeah. On the cargo panel.
a smoke and discharge light. Yes.
Discharge light, yes, sir.
Mhm.
And CRC also.
Yeah, CRC also.
Continuous.
Yes, 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 yes.
Yes.
That's it, right?
That's it, sir. It's okay, sir.
It will come twice.
Oh, twice. If both are working twice, one channel must be working once.
Yes, it will come
सब
twice.
बिर्सिसक्यो अनि केही कुरा मात्रै याद हुन्छ
You have to learn. You have to learn, man. You cannot say like this. Why it come twice?
That was my question.
It checks the both channel. SDF
Channel.
channel.
Continuity of the both channels.
Yes, yes. So twice it will come. If it comes once, then what does it mean?
One channel of
means
SDF
One channel is faulty.
Yes, right.
Faulty.
One channel is faulty.
Continuity is
Yes, yes, yes.
need to troubleshoot.
Okay, how laboratory smoke detectors are connected to sets?
By CAN network.
Yeah, by
CAN, by
via
CAN
via CAN buses and
there is a CPU.
sorry,
CPU.
yeah, CPU,
CPU.
yes, yeah, ma'am.
Sheets what?
Before that, is
No.
there any connection of DU?
DUB.
Yes.
Yeah, DUB.
So CAN
DUB.
buses and DUB, right?
Yes, sir, yes, sir. DUB.
Okay, what happens if laboratory smoke detected? So in case of cabin warnings, what cabin warnings you'll get in case of lab smoke?
Time.
Sorry?
AIP.
AIP मा पनि आउँछ, AAP मा पनि आउँछ, FAP मा पनि आउँछ, COP मा पनि आउँछ.
It's time 3 times. First of all,
Yes, triple chime, right? Triple chime.
3 times.
Mm-hmm.
Triple chime.
Mm-hmm.
And then lab, smoke lab X. That means which lab? A, B, or E.
Mm-hmm.
That will come on AIP. On FAP, there is amber smoke lab. That message will come. And
AIP मा पनि आउँछ. Lab
EWD.
Lab
Yeah, and CRC master warning, lab smoke warning on EWD.
EW.
Yes, sir, EWD.
Yeah, and flashing amber on the ACPs. Yes, flashing amber light.
ACP. Yes.
Yes.
Amber on the ACP.
Okay, in how many ways you can reset lab smoke warnings?
Reset.
How can you
One
reset?
from FAP.
FAP. How?
From FAP. Yeah.
How?
There is one reset push button.
Where?
At the upper top, right top.
This is
Right top मा हुन्छ यहाँ.
There is a smoke reset on the FAP touch panel.
Smoke reset.
Yes,
Okay.
smoke reset on the touch panel.
Yes.
So from that you can reset. Or below the touch panel there are hard keys. So one hard key is smoke reset. From there also you can reset.
Hard keys.
There are hard keys, right? Eight hard keys are there. the EDP.
In
sorry.
FAP, right?
Yeah, in the FAP, yeah. So one of the push button is for smoke reset.
Smoke reset.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Down
Okay.
the FAB, right?
How will you extinguish cargo fire on ground?
मैले यो क्वेशनको जवाब त इन्जिनमा पो दिइरहेको थिएँ मैले बोल्दा बोल्दा के बोलिन्छ थाहा छैन
Makes it.
त्यही हो भने कुरा हो
What will you do? You are in the cockpit and you get a cargo fire warning. Then what do you do?
We'll go and physically check it.
Physically check.
Yeah.
The
Visual inspection is required to confirm the fire. Visual inspection is
it has happened during departure, cargo departure in Kathmandu in our aircraft.
Yeah.
They spray that insecticide and in cockpit smoke cargo warning can, and then we can check, have a look, and wait for some time, and then.
Yeah, you can confirm visually. If there's a fire, use external portable fire extinguisher, which is near the ramp areas and all. Never discharge on board.
Yes.
Never discharge on board. Fire extinguisher.
On board?
On board fire extinguisher. Never discharge.
On board.
On ground.
Yeah.
On board fire extinguisher on ground.
Yes. Okay, how is cubes of fire bottles supplied? The one question which was I asked earlier. There are two scripts. No. Yes. For engine there are two scripts. So how the scripts of fire bottles supplied?
28 volt. Direct from battery. Hot bus.
Yeah, hot bus.
Hot bus 28 volt DC for
DC for discharge.
For discharge of, like, there are two bottles in engine, right?
Yes.
So you are supplying 28 volt DC for both from hot bus.
Sorry, sir.
There are two bottles for one engine, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you mean to say the 28 volt from hot bus supplied to both bottles?
It should be different
One
electrical
is
power
essential, I
supply.
think, and one is hot.
Yeah, should be different. Should be different power
Different
supply.
electrical supply.
Yes, should be different.
It's
So
different.
which one supplied from hot bus?
Hot bus, agent 1, bottle 1.
Yes, bottle 1 is supplied from hot bus. And for APU is squib A.
Speed A.
Yes, because there is a single bottle for APU, and for forward and aft there are different squibs.
Mm-hmm.
So
For the auto extinguisher.
yes, squib A. Okay. Okay, that's it for the fire, and the AML conditions are important. So read to that also. So we finished the fire. Congratulations.
And thank you a lot for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
For your time, sir.
Welcome.